A little while, maybe fresh off purpose cleaner and fixture. But you know, it can clean up any mess, it can fix anything. And I sprinkled it there on the ground, I started cleaning that mess up. Silas said to me, he said, "What's that? I need something like that to clean up some of the messes in my life." And I started talking to him about Amazing Grace all purpose cleaner and fixture. And that's when I convinced him to buy a bottle of it. It's pretty easy to sell, because it's free. Only 20% of people will ever lead somebody to Christ. That's the statistics that they say. So, look around here. You said the group about 10. If we're true to the rest of the world, only 2 out of every 10 will ever lead somebody to Christ in their entire life. Now, I'm not exactly sure that statistic is exactly true, because I want to talk about how you lead people to Christ. But I want to give you a definition, and I told you this would be just a little bit theological. But just somebody, and don't worry about whether it's a perfect answer, but if a little kid came up to you and said, "What is evangelism?" What would you say? Raise your hand, somebody, and shout it out. What would you say evangelism is? Proclaiming the name of the Lord. That'd be a good definition. Anybody else? Come on, give us one more.
Sharing the love of Christ.
Sharing the love of Christ. Absolutely.